Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the defrost drain pan on your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the drain pan is cracked or damaged, causing water to leak out under your fridge. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So our defrost drain pan is going to be underneath the fridge here. So the first thing you want to do is open up your fridge and make sure there's nothing in it that when you tip it over will spill or otherwise come out from where it is. Then after you do that, we can go and tip it over. Keep in mind fridges are pretty heavy, so you might need a friend to do this. So this right here is our drain pan, and it's held in place by 5 screws, 2 on this side and 3 on this side. And now that we've got all the screws out, we can take our drain pan out. So what we're going to do is just turn it sideways here like so. And now we can pull it out from the bottom here and just like that and take it out. So we've also got this hose here, and that's going to have to go back in once we put the new one in. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drain pan. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now I'm going to put our drain pan back in, and as I do that, I'm going to make sure that this hose goes into the groove right up here. So what I'm going to do, just tilt it slightly like that, and then I'm going to work the hose into here. So just move that into place like that. And now we'll get this top part back in place, and you'll see there's a notch right there, and that matches up to one of these pieces of plastic that are sticking out right there. That's it there. And then we'll just move this whole thing over and line up all the screw holes. And once the screw holes are all lined up, we'll screw it back in. And once we've got all of our screws put back in, we can set our fridge up. If you've left your fridge on the back for a while, you should also wait a little while before you plug it back in to let all the coolant settle. But after that, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.